Diligent means working hard and carefully. A diligent person does not give up easily and does their work properly. In simple words, diligent equals hardworking and careful. Easy explanation. A diligent person works regularly, pays attention to details, tries to do their best, finishes work on time. Diligence helps people succeed in studies and life. Very easy examples with explanation. She is a diligent student. He is diligent at work. More simple example sentences. The teacher praised him for being diligent. Diligent workers are successful. You must be diligent in your studies. Daily life examples. A diligent child completes homework daily. Diligent farmers take care of crops. Diligent practice improves skills. Student sentence. I am diligent in my studies. Easy memory trick. Diligent equals hard work every day.